Alright folks, so it took a little tussle to get the tire back up, aligned into the holes, the caliper, everything back in here. So now I am going to back install the nut. Right, so let me make sure on the other side that I knock the axle all the way in flush. So the axle is all the way in flush, right, as it's supposed to be, right? Make sure we did that. Washer fell down, let's put the washer back in, right? So this is your nut, your axle nut. We're going to just put it back in here. And I'm going to torque it, right? So everything is spinning nice. And I want to just now take my hand, screw it down, right? Screw it back down nice, which it looked like it's sitting different. But let's get our torque bar, right? Which we have right here. We have it set at 80 foot-pounds of torque. Right now, let's start to tighten up this axle a little bit. All right, so I can see what's going on here. We got some free wheel spin. I don't know if 80 pounds is right, but not quite sure what I had it on before, because I kind of just like freelanced it. And people were saying 80 pounds, but I know if you tighten this thing too tight, the wheel don't spin so freely. So I don't know. So see, so I don't know what is that right now, but we're going. And I don't have that free, see? The wheel's starting to get tight. So, let's see. I don't know, 80 sounds like a lot. So, I don't know what is at right now. See, gotta be careful also. If you put it too tight, you could crush the wheel bearings. So right now I don't know where this is at, but let me see. So I'm gonna loosen this. I'm gonna actually go down to, let's go down to about 50. So this is 50 torque feet-pounds. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna loosen this a little bit because it seems a little tight. I don't think I never had it this tight before. I had more, see? I think you want more free spin. Then the tighter you put it, what's gonna happen, you're gonna lock up your wheel. So let's see where this is at. So this is kind of light. I don't hear no click yet. Let's adjust this again. Let's go down one, folks. I'm gonna go to 40 on the tree, and let's see what this is. I'm not really getting no clicking yet. Trying to do 40. You see what's happening? the tighter I go, you see the less spin I get. So it's loosening a little bit, folks. That was kind of like the issue I was having before. So I think this is kind of decent. Let me just give it one more notch up. And this is what we got. So the torque bar is a little bit weird with this because I guess every bike is different. What I do realize, if you tighten that bolt too tight, you crush the bearings in, and then your wheel won't be able to spin. So we're gonna go around and show you what the new sprocket look like. So this is the new sprocket, and this is what we look like. Everything is back in position. Just gotta clean everything up. So tell me what y'all think. Look at the color combo, look at the nuts, the two different goals, and y'all see what it is. So we go back and forth. I hear it. I see it. All right, folks, so we catch y'all on the next one. Like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Like to MykeLS. All right, folks, so we about to reinstall, as y'all can see down here, the new chain, the new sprocket. We're gonna try to reinstall back the wheel. All right, so bear with me. Bear with me here. I'm trying to line it up without damaging anything. All right, so you see right here, this is the brake, so it's actually in the slot right here. So, okay, lining everything up. Just push it back a little bit. Let me come around on the other side. All right, we're gonna show y'all the chain. All right, so I'm gonna take the chain. All right, and I'm going to maybe start the tire back again and try to attempt to put the chain over the sprocket. But let me see, I may have to do it from here if I'm not mistaken. Push it in a little bit. I don't have no clearance, so let me see. I have to see how I'm gonna get it back on here, folks. So let me roll it back a little bit. All right. Roll it back a little bit. Be careful because I do have the caliper still sitting here, which I'm actually just gonna move it off. I think that's the best bet. To move the caliper off, which I did, so that should give me a little bit more clearance. I'm gonna shift the wheel over a little bit more, and that should give me clearance to put the chain on. Alright, so which I actually did, so alright. Reinstalling the chain. Alright, as y'all can see. Onto the sprocket. We have the chain on the sprocket now, right? I'm gonna shift this over now to here. So now I can try to come on the other side now. I'm gonna try to reposition. This is the caliper for the brakes. Back into it has a groove. It has to line up with a hole, this hole right here. Right? So, and the brakes have to go into the rotor. So I'm gonna try to attempt to do all of this right now. So let me get my light because I can't see too well over here. Put my light right here. So this is a little tedious part that comes with doing this. Like, I'm not gonna say it's super easy, but it's not that hard if you did this before. So you just have to kind of find the right fitting. Make sure the hole lines up, number one, right? You gotta make sure the brake pads is open, right? So I think it's actually almost in alignment. Can't really see, let me see. All right, so it's in alignment now. I can feel it, right? Let me take a look at the hole, right? It looks like everything is in alignment, right? So now, what I have to do, I gotta make sure this pad is open up wide, which it is. I gotta make sure this stays in alignment, right? That's the other tricky part. So now what I'm gonna do right here, I have to raise this up into here. I have to put it back, the rotor back into the brake. And then after that, once I get it up there, I have to take this and slide it inside, pull back, do the nut. Whole lot of stuff, people. Whole lot of stuff. But we're gonna try to get it done. All right, so, okay. So now, let's try to lift up the wheel, right? So I gotta see how this is gonna work, people. Right. Not easy. Nothing's easy. So let me at least try to get it up, right? Wedge it in, which is not going in. So let me try to space out this again, right? And I'm gonna try to attempt to go up again. Let's see here. Line it up. Alright. And the problem is, it's moving, so go down again. Whew. Alright folks, we're gonna catch y'all in a minute. Let's figure something out here.